Today in review, we have two products. The first product is a power bank from DOACE. 5 volt, 2 amp, 3 amp, 10,000 milliamp, 15 watts. Size of a credit card, about. It's to charge your vests, your pants, anything that's battery operated heated from DOACE. It can also charge phones and other devices as well. As noted on the box, it's known as PB210, 10,000 milliamps at 180 grams. Comes nicely protected, and check online for further details about this product. You're given a gray cable USB-A to C. It measures about 1 meter long. We have 4 LED indicators, and we need to charge the unit via USB-C plugging in to a USB-A outlet. Allow the unit to charge for the first time to full. It comes one blink, 25% per, up to 100%. On the top, you have an on and off, a USB-A, and a USB-C. It is a gunsmoke gray, measures 2 3/4 by about 4 1/4 inches in height, and about a 1/2 inch in depth. Depending on the models you're after in the heating systems, check online again for further details that if you need a power bank or not. The DOACE power bank does not come with a brick. A 5 volt 2 amp is needed and charges up in 3 hours time to full. The DOACE vest, pants with the PD210 battery and additional batteries with higher milliamps can be purchased separately for your heating needs. With the option to charge smartphones, cameras, and more via USB-C to C port, you have power on the go whenever needed. When fully charging your unit, simply remove the PB210 10,000 milliamp 15 watt battery for all your needs for smartphones, cameras, heating vests, what it's made for. Enjoy your product from DOACE.